It's good. Okay, cool. So what's the difference between a web agent and an integration-based agent? And when would you want to use one over the other?
Great question. I get this a lot. Starting with web agent. So a lot of the products that are web agent based, what this means is the agent is kind of taking actions click by click as if it was performing it just like a human would. So it's navigating, it's reading the screen, maybe through a screenshot, it's deciding, let me click this button, let me navigate here, let me scroll down. This works very differently from an integration based agent where it doesn't require it to kind of go through the screen or like the UI, the user interface. It's instead deeply connected through like your actual account to the integration itself. Let's say like Gmail. So if you had a Gmail integration agent, it's able to call the APIs and use tools essentially for the agent to actually send emails, read emails, do anything your Gmail app would be able to do. And in terms of when you would use one or the other, I would say for web agents, these are pretty good for a task where you kind of don't want to look at it for a while.
Yeah.
So the issue with web agents is that they're getting better, but they're still a little bit slow sometimes and unreliable. You can't really predict when it's going to mess up, what it's going to do next. So it's very helpful for stuff like maybe like form filling or sending it off to research on X or something where you would just set it off to go run for a while and then check back in later. And even if it got maybe 50% of the way there, that's good enough. It still saved you some time, right? Whereas for integration agents, these are very valuable for like mission critical operations or something where you have a process that you want to get this done, or it actually matters like how reliable or how quickly you're doing it, because fundamentally the way it's built makes it more reliable and more predictable and you're more in control of what's going to happen. These are good for tasks, let's say like bulk operations. So what I mean by that is filling out a spreadsheet with many rows at a time, or maybe sending bulk emails out, anything where you want to do it more en masse. This kind of agent has access to data that you're not looking at on your screen. So all the information in your CRM and your email and your calendar. So it can do a lot more in that sense.